got here is 45 South on North Street. White Oak Bayou just pouring on in. Tell you what, get down here and get my coffee, and we'll go across the street, see what 45 North looks like. Some other people out. Kind of curious what happened with all that rain we had last night, which was unlike anything I've ever experienced in my life. So here's 45 North. And I can't see where the water stops either way.